How's it going, YouTube? This is I'm King Joseph, and I'm bringing you guys a tutorial today. Today's tutorial topic and title of this tutorial is how to get 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So I'm gonna be giving you guys some topics, I'm gonna be giving you guys some tips and tricks on how to get your first 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So before I jump right into that, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. So I have hit 1,000 subscribers here on my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can hit 1,000. So first of all, you guys are going to want to at least upload your first YouTube video if you guys have not already. But if you guys have started uploading, then you guys are going to want to upload consistently on your YouTube channel. Have an upload schedule that you can stick to every other day, every day, once a week, once every 2 weeks. Have a schedule that you can base your channel off of and you can run off of, so that your viewers know that you are constantly on YouTube and constantly having a flow of videos that your subscribers can sit there and watch. So yeah, next tip is yes, getting views. Getting more views on your YouTube channel will give you more subscribers, because say if you get 10,000 views on one video, you get a viral video and it gets 10,000 views, you will get possibly 1,000 subscribers off of that if you get a super viral, if you get a really good video that you upload. So yeah, so back to the next topic as well is content. If you make quality content that people are gonna want to watch and download and not download it, but if you make content that people that are going to want to watch and click on, not saying clickbait, but clickbait is also a part of it as well. Make videos that people are going to want to click on, so you can get more views, so you can get more subscribers overall. But yeah, and also never give up. Never give up. So say if you feel like you're down and about and you don't feel like your channel is doing good and you're at 500 subscribers and you're not getting many views, do not start a new channel, because that is how you will stop yourself from getting 1,000 subscribers. Say you have 500 subscribers on your YouTube channel and then you quit because you want to make a new YouTube channel because you want fresh views. Well, guess what? That is a whole nother 1,000 subscribers that that's a whole nother 500 subscribers that you're gonna have to gain. So do you sit there and you think about that? So stick to your one YouTube channel, upload the best quality content that you can, upload consistent content, and also market and network your videos. You're gonna want to find a way to push your videos out there, find a way for people to find your videos. You can put make content like SEO, search engine optimization, have people click on the video for the title, the tags, whatever's in the description, or you can set up a series to get people to come to your channel to consistently watch. Either way, but I hope you guys enjoy these tips. More tips and tricks coming soon. This was just a short little video on showing you guys how you guys can get 1,000 subscribers. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. More videos coming in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry if it was if I did not make sense of part of it. I am super tired. It is 1 a.m. in the morning right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, comment. Peace.